Hello everyone, in this video we will do factorization by using identities. For more clarity of this topic, please go and watch my earlier videos on factorization and basic concepts of algebraic expression. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for any query you can always contact me on my Instagram. Thank you. If we have to do factorization by using identity, first of all, you should memorize these identities. First identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third identity is a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. You can also go and watch my video on identities for this. Now let us do question by using these identities. Suppose we have this question to be factorized by using identities. So first we'll think which identity we have to use. Here we have plus sign here and here also we have plus sign. So in first identity only we have all the plus signs. So we will use first identity, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will compare this example with this identity. We'll write it like a square plus 2 into a into b. What is b? B is this term. If we factorize 16, we get 4 into 4. That is equal to 4 square. So b is 4. 2 into a into b, that is 4. Now if we compare it with right hand side of the identity, that is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. We get left hand side here as a plus b, that is 4 whole square. So here we have right hand side of the identity and we have converted it into left hand side of the identity. So this will be the answer. Now suppose this is another example. Again we will see which identity we are going to use in this question. We see we have 1 minus sign. So first identity we cannot use because in first identity all the signs are positive. In second and third identity we have negative sign. But in third identity we have only 2 terms. So we will be using second identity in this question. What is that? That identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in this, what we see, if we compare this part with right hand side of the identity, we can convert it like 2z whole square minus 2 into, what is a? 2z into b, that is 1 plus 1 square, that is b square. Now converting this right hand side of identity into left hand side. What is a? If we compare, a is 2z and b is 1. So answer will be 2z minus 1 whole square. Now in this question, we have 2 terms and minus sign. It means we have to use second or third identity. In second identity, we should have 3 terms. But as we have 2 terms, we will be using third identity. Third identity is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. We'll first write it in this way, 2p whole square. 4p square can be written as 2p whole square minus this we can write 3q whole square. Now if we compare this with left hand side of the identity, we get a as 2p and B as 3Q. So now writing right hand side of the identity, we will get 2P minus 3Q, that is A minus B, and A plus B will be 2P plus 3Q. So this will be the answer. Now if we have this question, in this question both the signs are positive. So we will be using first identities, which is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. We can write this question as 2P whole square plus 3Q square whole square plus 2 into 2P square into 3Q square. Now this is right hand side of the identity. If we compare it with right hand side, we get A as 2P square and B as 3Q square. Now we can write this in the left hand side of the identity as left hand side P square plus 3Q square whole square. So this will be the answer. On factorizing this, we get this. Now if we have this question, we'll take minus sign as common and we'll write x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now we can solve this bracket by using identity or by using splitting the middle term. We are using identity in this video. 625 minus, this we will use A square plus 2AB plus B square, which is equal to A plus B whole square. If we compare, we have in place of A we have x and in place of B we have y. We can straightly write x plus y whole square. 625 is square of 25. We can write 25 whole square minus x plus y whole square. Now still it is not factorized. We will use other identity to factorize it. We see we will be using third identity, that is A square minus B square is equal to A minus B and A plus B. If we compare this with the identity, we get A as 25 and B as x plus y. So we can write it A minus B means 25 minus B is x plus y. And in second bracket we have 25 plus x plus y. So answer will be 25 minus x minus y in one bracket, 25 minus x and minus y in one bracket, and 25 plus x and plus y in other bracket. So this will be the answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.